southbound. 1680s picking up speeds are about 95. 1680s, is there a helicopter available?
Center 243.
1570, what are our speed?
Speed is 76 right now.
376, approaching center.
Try to get next to him at Ford Road and around. Coming up to
Okay.
straight through Grand Blanc.
2134, late 23, perfect. Yes.
Blowing the red over 23. Two reds over 23.
Copy over 23.
He's having a hard time shifting right now.
Good, John, I'm trying to box him in.
I copy.
Motor kick back up.
They almost lost it. Still southbound. Still.
Copy, just be advised you are approaching a dead end on Moorish there.
Clear. We're kind of on a two-track right now. It's getting really narrow. Still southbound.
They crashed. They crashed through a march.